how to mention someone in a particular chat in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can mention someone using the @tag in your Microsoft Teams chat. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any chat. So currently I'm opening a personal chat itself, but the procedure is almost same for any chat, be it a group chat or a Teams chat. Now, once you're inside the message typing area, you will need to simply place your cursor here, and then at wherever or whichever point you want to mention someone, you can simply type in the @ and then the name of the person. So as you can see, the suggestion will be given right here. So you can simply click onto this suggestion and you can see that the person's name has been successfully mentioned, and then you can type in the message that you have for them, or any message in which you want them to be included. And once you send this, they will receive a notification that they have been mentioned by you. So that's how easily you can mention or tag someone in your Microsoft Teams chat. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.